comes to skiing, I'm a huge fan of it. I love downhill, but whenever you hit that flat bottom as you make your way back to the chairlift, or if you're into cross-country skiing and you just like to travel across large fields, it can be a little bit of a barrier for some regular people who may not be as physically capable or are maybe slightly physically handicapped. Well, it's with that in mind that a company, E-Skimo, produced a motorized ski. This interesting device actually goes onto a ski. They don't make the skis, they just make the equipment, but they go onto it and it puts a treadmill on the bottom of the ski, and it can actually help move you along the way as you're using it. You can actually move 80% faster while using the ski. You can go actually uphill 4 times easier, and it reduces your physical workout by 30%. A lot of people who are maybe not as physically capable to still be able to take in grand snowy vistas and like fields and enjoy the sport of cross-country skiing to its fullest. The really cool thing is, if you are actually regularly skiing as well, you can just take the skis off, remove the equipment, place it in your backpack, and you can plug in the skis and just go straight down the hill. So it's a really cool option. They are currently working with business to business, trying to find a company that will make the skis for them or work in a larger field of multiple businesses. But it's crazy to think where the technology is going in the future and what we'll have available for us down the line. Hopefully you guys find this interesting. Hope you guys are liking our CES coverage, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.